Our department is actually saying that industrial development linked to the infrastructure program is our best shot at getting out of this crisis and creating new capabilities that will take us forward when the crisis ends. That's what we're saying. Now, we have been saying this before. We've been saying that it must be the infrastructure program must leverage local industrial capacity. We've set in the industrial policy action plans targets of reducing the import leakage from the infrastructure investment programs from an estimated 40% of the value of those programs to 30%. We've been setting those targets. I think what we're saying now is we need to make sure that we achieve that. I myself am not terribly happy that we have done this. We have been talking, the state-owned enterprises have been putting their CSDP programs, competitive supply and development programs. They've been developing these. I don't think we've had enough synergy within government around those programs, to be quite honest. We have not yet been able to determine which sectors we now need to be focusing on, subsectors, what kind of industrial policy support measures do we need to be deploying to encourage those sectors to develop and so on. I think that, while there are local benefits from a number of these programs, I don't think that they have yet achieved their potential in terms of stimulating local economic and industrial development. The point now is that unless we achieve that import leakage reduction, unless we achieve that, the programs themselves will be in jeopardy. Because if we are experiencing, as we are, declining export earnings from the sale of mineral products, if world trade has gone down, of the figures I mentioned, and we continue to import to sustain these programs, we are going to contribute to an already significant balance of trade deficit, which is not going to be sustainable in the long run. So in the long run, unless we achieve that import leakage reduction, we are actually not going to be able to push ahead with those programs.